Hi, my name is Adam Heverola. It is May, the celebration of all women in your life. We are going to take our bouquet and create little floral moments that we can spread throughout our home. What we'll need for this month's beautiful decorations in our home is I found these milk jugs. I think they're absolutely adorable. I got 2 different sizes and I think they're gonna look great for what we're doing. And all I wanna do is take some natural ribbon and we're just gonna tie. I am a believer that not everything needs a bow, but this is raw ribbon and look at, I like it just like that. A simple double knot. It makes the moment. You don't necessarily have to have this extravagant bow on things. Sometimes just the simplicity of it is our statement. And as you can see, it's a little bit offset. This is going to help that whole garden look we are going for this month. Love that. And we're going to do the same thing with the little ones. The little ones, I am just gonna do a single. But already, aren't these the most adorable thing? As we spread these through the home, the one thing that's gonna keep unification is that all the bows have a little accent of ribbon that's the same, and the flowers are in the same exact color palette. If you don't have milk jugs, you can use different size vases, just something to tie it all in. But I love the milk jugs, and that's why we're using it this month. Vases are ready, bouquet is separated, and this orange-blue bouquet is absolutely gorgeous. And we are going to start with our color-enhanced ruscus, and we're gonna put them into the tall vases. This whole look is all about the garden. You just came in from the garden, you had vases, and we're just adding some flowers. So we have the blue on the top. I want to do some blue flowers down on the little guys. So your Euringium cut, and you have different pieces. And we'll do that with the other one. Put that in. And our little extra guys we can put right in there. This is what I mean about everything being cohesive in your home. When you place these all over your home, they will all have the same colors, which is great. Next, we're gonna take our Gabbera. I take the straws off. I don't think they need the straws. I wanna put one of the low guys. And this is totally opposite of what we've been doing. This is not perfection designing. This is making it look like we just picked flowers and put them into the vases. Now we'll use our carnations. And do you see how they're all a little offset? Nothing is exactly the same. Always making sure we take the foliage off. It's going to be in the water though. And speaking of water, a little designer trick that I love to do is when you fill up the vases, I don't fill them all the way up with water. I love this water line. I love seeing a natural water line within a glass vessel. So try that, see what you like. All right, now we have some beautiful Austrameria. Some of the foliages are broken, you could just pop those right off. We have an orange one there. Let's go ahead and orange to this side. And when those open up, they're gonna be absolutely beautiful. Next we have some mini carnations. But do you see how this is so cohesive already? We have the same colors going through. And you could use as many vases as you have. If you have 3 bedrooms or bathrooms or wherever you wanna place these throughout the home, is going to make the guests feel so special. Every room they go in, they get a little pop of color. The spray rose, I am going to cut into 2 pieces. One of them I'm going to put into here. And the other one I will put down there. I know this month it was a fast setup, but now you get to go sprinkle these throughout your home and really have that beautiful spring flowers throughout. If you're a mom, I wish you a very happy Mother's Day month, and you deserve everything good in your life. Remember, like and subscribe, and we will see you next month.